the time I made that last video of me sitting out there until now, it's been almost an hour. Actually, it's been more than that, but it took an hour from that time for me to get home. I sat there an additional hour, not counting the time I sat there before making that video, and I was wet. I don't know if you can see some of the water. My jacket soaked. I had to walk without an umbrella. My bag, the water has dried. It's kind of, you know, fake leather. And I had to come in and rush. I couldn't make a video right away because I went to go get my nose redone a little bit because it had some scrapes on there and it only been a few days. So I couldn't make a video immediately after. But the point is, I walked in the rain for maybe 15 minutes just to get home. Okay, I'm done for the day. That's gonna be my vlog for today. Thoughts though, if you are following the news in the States, well, there's several news happening, but one, the whole shooting of the kid from, I think, last year or 2 years ago that a ruling passed recently, this month, not even recently, this month, June, I believe. And then the whole thing about Carmelo Anthony and his trial started on June 1st. It's currently June 8th. So a lot of emotions, to say the least. And it just puts me in a weird mental space, if I'm being honest. It's like every time you turn this way, there's always something happening to people like you. And not just things in the States. There's a lot of other stuff happening outside of America as well. I made a post on my other Instagram account where I intend to only post news about the whole doll that was circulating in China. Stress doll that were black babies. And influencers were doing all kinds of things to it. So it's a lot. But we're grateful to God for the opportunity to be alive, to be able to think a little clearly. Excuse me. Grateful to God for the heart that He gave us, and the fact that some of us aren't enraged and go in the opposite end of the spectrum just shows that God works in His people to mend their hearts and to turn them from the natural instinct. That's all I can say to that. So I have my dinner. I have my kung fu tea in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it cool off, take a shower, and then eat it after. Look at your girl veins though. My arm looks, not too shabby today. Okay. All right, y'all. Have a blessed day and bye. See you tomorrow. It's Tuesday today. I unfortunately cannot go in my regular spot to record because it's been raining all day today, and it's gonna keep raining all this week and practically all next week as well. So I'm home instead. I just got home a little while ago. I try to walk as slow as I could because when I come inside, I stay inside and go back outside. Not really, unless I have to, like yesterday when I had to go outside to do my nails. Today was okay. Nothing too crazy. I was supposed to go to gym yesterday, but I didn't go because of my nails, and so today I cannot because I have to do something in like an hour, and hopefully I will go tomorrow because I'll have the time. I also didn't read my plan today at work. My excuse is I forgot my journal, my writing journal, but I have to do better on that. Other than that, it was a pretty chill day. I did what I had to do. I need to do the budgeting thing today. I know I'm not the type of person who holds stuff like that, especially something of that nature. But I look and feel like there's a spirit that's trying to make me feel some type of way. And when we were coming home today, I was fighting the urge. Well, I wasn't fighting. No, I shouldn't say. It was playing in my mind, and I kept telling myself, like, why is this even on your mind? Like, this isn't. You really don't care about it, but it's almost like something wants you to care, so it can create a sort of animosity between you and this person. And I'm using this moment as a teaching point, and also to say this is how the devil really plays and preys on our minds. He plants a seed of something that literally means nothing to us. Like, if we didn't act on it, we will be fine. But he replaces it like a rumination, I think is what it's called. And then it starts to eat at us. And then when we act on it, even if our actions were mild and we act on it and the response from the other person isn't maybe one of what we imagined, then it creates a problem and then it explodes. And not even just the Uber thing, there's something else that was also on my mind about another situation that shouldn't even be a problem or shouldn't even be bothering me, but it kept coming to me, and I was almost tempted to act on whatever that thing was. And I'm grateful to God that I didn't, because it would have been pointless. It would have put me in a very awkward situation, or like it would have created something that I don't need in this current moment. And that has passed. Thankful and grateful to God for it. But I'm saying this to say sometimes when things are on our mind, we don't have to act on it. We really don't. We really don't. And if you are a person who challenges themselves and their own thoughts, you don't just run with it, you can know that this doesn't really faze me. Like, I shouldn't even do anything about it. I know it's on my mind, it's trying to come to the front of my mind, but let me just rat it out and it's gonna go away. That's my lesson for today. Sometimes when I smile a certain way, I get a little dimple. I really wish I had dimples. I think dimples are so cute. Okay, well, that is my spiel for today. Catch me again tomorrow. Hopefully the rain wouldn't be as bad and I can, at least sit outside or record outside. I prefer recording outside than in my apartment because my apartment isn't very big. I own an apartment in Asia. It's not very big. It's not like it's China or anything. So anyways, maybe I might hop back on here after I read a word and it comes to my heart. But if not, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hey guys, so as you can see, it's not raining now, but it will definitely rain. I can feel it. I'm trying to get in some laps before the rain starts for real. Or I would just run in the rain because that's something I've been meaning to do for a long time. Anyways, so I'm okay with that. I'm gonna put my shoes on now. Let me put this phone lower. I'm in a rush. I don't know how much I can get out of this, but I'm gonna try. Stretching, definitely. I'm so sore from going to the gym on Wednesday. Sorry y'all, I didn't record, but it was a good session. I talked to this guy who lives really well, like pure admiration, nothing, like that. I'm gonna try to record next time, hopefully. Okay, this is me. And I'm gonna get started. Wish me luck. This is the track. As you can see, it's wet, but What else do you expect? I'll be back. Done my warm up. Now we have to stretch. Try to record this to see maybe y'all gonna see me all the way back there. I'm not sure, but we're gonna try it because why not? That wasn't too bad. 1 down, 9 more to go. Down here. I was going quicker than I needed to on that one. I need to slow down. Okay, 2 down. Hey y'all, I'm gonna try to put this light on. I'll definitely on my phone. So I'm done with my workout. I did do 10 200 technically. It was like 10 230 meters. But those are just extra. My main goal was 200, so I'm glad about that. My phone. As you can see, this is a Nike app thing right there. I hope my camera isn't. Anyways, so I did that. I'm done. I'm gonna go home. Short and sweet. I was able to get rid of some of the tension I had in my body from working out at the gym. So yeah. Thanks for coming along with me. And this is me logging up. I don't know if I'll make another one when I go home, but if not, this is me logging up. Happy Friday. Back in my apartment. Yeah, I need to go follow me on my... Oh my gosh, there's a last one more follower to go follow me on my account. Happy Friday. I'm just glad that I didn't get caught in the rain. Though I have like water all up on my socks though. That's okay. I might just search for a good anime to watch tonight. And then wake up tomorrow and edit my video from last week. My vlog from last week. Well, this is gonna be my dinner. Yes, I want to run in my place closed. So I'm gonna eat that egg, or those eggs, I should say. Some noodles. And I got me my comfort tea. That's gonna be my dinner. I'm post-workout dinner. See, I'm contemplating changing my color to gray because I have the gray with me. And I've had this in for a week and change. And at first I wasn't feeling it, but now it's growing on me. So I don't know if I should give it one more week before I change it. I just don't know. Oh, this is this wig. I be having wigs, y'all, and I don't really be wearing it. Should I? I'm gonna try this on. We're here, so let's do it. Obviously, it needs a little bit of doing, but I could wear that, but when I wear this, it kind of brings pimple on the side of my face. So it doesn't agree with me. My friend sent me some wig when she sent me my mug that I mentioned in my last video. One of the wigs I gave away because I wasn't really feeling it. I kept this one because I was like trying to make it work, but I don't know. I mean, it feels nice. It really does, but it just feels like a grandma hair. You know what I mean? Is this even the right side? Hold on. I'll show you this because one, I'm either gonna throw this hair away. Anyways, I can do something with it and keep it. So as you can tell, this side is flat. That's because I went inside of it and just cut some of it off, because the one that's on top can fall over it and decrease. Like, you see how it's just lump on this side? So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I don't really know where I took it from, but I know it was in the middle of all of this. So I'm gonna cut it like that. You can see it brings it down. The one in the back, I'm gonna do something similar, maybe from here. And I hate doing this and having all this trash in my bathroom. Hair. See? That's a lot better. Though I feel like now I have to cut hair from some places. Maybe I need some more from here. Now it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Like, oh, I feel like, see my hair color. Maybe here. Some hair needs to go from here. Actually, that's already gone. Here. think, can I get a wear out of it before I actually throw it away? I don't know, I'm gonna like clear it a little bit and then I will come back. Okay, y'all, I think I can work with this. I've chipped it and nipped it and snipped it, and this is what we got. I think I can at least get like a wear out of it. See, the back kind of like goes here in the middle. The goal is to have this one down here and like the rest just behind my ears. We just kind of working a bit, but no, I think on this side is more. That's because like at first I was cutting it to twist it, you know, doing these. So this side is where I was, but it's okay. I can make it work for next week. All right, this really is the end now. I'm gonna take a shower and eat something.